G'day, Scotty McRae here and welcome to A Taste of Travel. We have a terrific show coming your way today. We are in the magnificent Murray region of New South Wales. So much to see and do, terrific produce and cultural activities, and of course, the mighty Murray itself. Here's a little taste of what's coming your way. On today's show, Lynette takes another personal challenge that results in some ups and downs. I get active around Albury when I take a self-guided tour around the city and surrounds. And we experience the charm and splendour of Corowa's circa 1936, an absolute jewel in the Murray region's crown. Just inside the New South Wales border, the town of Corowa sits proudly on the banks of the mighty Murray. Hospitality and history are big around these parts, but it's the locals that make it what it is. And I was meeting up with a young bloke who typifies just that. There are so many little surprise packets throughout the Riverina, and Corowa is no different. Isn't that right, Dean?
Certainly is.
Whiskey and chocolate.
Who doesn't like that match?
Exactly, two favourite things for a lot of people, but this place is amazing, mate.
Yeah, look, we're really happy with it. It's a nice big grand building, and it's great to house whiskey and chocolate.
And is it true that you paid $1 for it?
Look, it is, but in hindsight, we definitely overpaid. They probably should have paid us to get rid of it.
Well, you've turned it into a really spectacular building, mate. And originally it was a flour mill.
It was, yeah, built in 1920.
So it ran for flour mill for how long?
50 years till 1970, and it's shut down and been laying here abandoned for 40 years until we bought it.
All right, there's going to be some damage caused in that time.
There is.
Well, mate, you've got a lot of stuff going on. How about you take me on a little short visit and we'll go and have a look at a couple of things?
Sure, let's go and have a look.
All right, beautiful. The whiskey side of things, it happens here.
This is where it all happens.
Tell me what happens, mate, because I've no idea about distilling whiskey.
Sure, so we get malted barley in.
Yep.
We crush it, we put it through a fermentation stage, takes between 5 and 7 days. We then ferment that out, bring it into the first still, distill it off, create low wines. Then we put it through this big sucker here, which is the spirit still, and we create new make spirit that then ages in a barrel and then in 2 years' time can be called whiskey.
And you're getting close, because you haven't cracked your first one yet, have you?
We're so close, but yeah, patience is not my best suit.
Then you get to taste a little bit now and then, don't you, just to make sure things are going okay?
Very important that you've got quality control, and whiskey's no different.
Yeah, for sure, and that's a good excuse regardless.
That's exactly right.
So this is the little mini chocolate factory?
This is the Freckle Hut.
Oh, the Freckle Hut, that's good, that's good. And this kid's just making one now, obviously?
He is, he's getting to make his own freckle and he'll be able to take that home and eat it.
He's going to town. And I see choice?
Yeah, milk and dark chocolate they get to choose between.
And you guys actually have a bigger version of this in Geneva, yeah?
We do, yeah, that's the home base.
Riverina, mate.
That's all, keep it in the Riverina.
Enjoy that, champion. Sure. Enjoy it. If you are keen for a tour here, don't be afraid to ask, as Dean and the team are always ready and obliging, whether you're in a group or travelling solo. And I must say, it sure does come up a treat as a wedding venue as well. And listen, before you leave this place, you have to come into the cafe and enjoy lunch because it's very popular, as you can see. So many people here enjoying themselves. And I believe I am going to be recommending the soft shell crab tacos. I'm not sure. Yes, I am. Indeed. That's good. Thanks, buddy. I'll see you again soon. And don't forget, folks, make sure you take a few sweet treats home with you. And that young fella who thought he had the big freckle, I got the big freckle, baby. I've got the big freckle. Wait till I get a hold of this one.
Now, I am the first to admit that I love a day of pampering, so my stay here at circa 1936 is exactly what the doctor ordered. Next time you need a hotel, all you have to do is download the Hotels Combined app. They will search all of the top travel sites, guest reviews and photos in one simple search, guaranteeing you the best available price. Hotels Combined, it's everything hotels combined. And here are Hotels Combined top 5 hotels for the region.
Best Western Plus Hoveltree Inn, Albury. Deluxe River Spa Apartments, Moama, circa 1936. Corowa. Capri Waters Country Club, Mawela. Albury Manor House, Albury.